Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel and you don't know how to verify it, so this video is for you. You know, YouTube verification is very important because before that your channel is at the great risk. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to your youtubestudio.com. On a desktop side, if you are a PC user, so you can easily go to the desktop side, but if you are Android and phone user, you have to go to desktop side, and you can't do this setting with your YouTube Studio on mobile phone app. So let's open the Chrome and go to YouTube Studio on a desktop side. After going that, here you can see on the screen, this is my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to verify it with a very few methods. So let's start the video. Now you have seen on the top bar there is verification method. You have to press on that. Now they ask for your password. You have to enter your password here. After entering your mail password, you have to press on next. After pressing on next, two-step verification page appeared. This is the verification of your channel, so you have to turn on two-step verification. After turning on two-step verification, your channel is saved and you are verified now, and you can easily use your channel, no any issues or risk. So here you have to select the area, like select the flag of your city, country where you belong to. You have to selecting your flag. After selecting your country, you have to choose the right country because it's YouTube policies, you can't change the wrong country. After selecting the country, here you have to put your SIM or number because this is very initial step. You have to put, and they will send you an code. You have to enter the code and your channel is verified. So this is the method how you can easily verify your channel. I don't verify because I don't need, I just do some practice so you can see how it works. So hope so you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.